Diversity tube, we have a problem here with the bathtub drain. Water's not going out. We done tried plunger, pour the whole thing with Drano down there. That's all was left, but the whole thing was poured in there. It was sitting around, nothing. Even took a little sink stopper with a little drain unclogger tool and nothing really came up. Then we took the plunger and well, that one didn't work too good. You can hear the water draining, but then it stops. So I figured something else going on with it. So I focus on this right here. Got my screwdriver. Get this unscrewed. And we open it up. So it's not even connected. So the plug is down in there, causing the drain not to drain. Got the drain blocked. This broke off. So you can see it's broken where it connects to the plug. And if you reach down in there, you can pull the plug up. We'll try my screwdriver. And when you pull it, you can hear the water starting to go out. And that was the problem. So I have a new one here from Home Depot. About 13 bucks. About 12.50, 13 bucks. Overflow plate assembly. Replacement. That's what it looks like. And this is what broke off on the old one, where it connects. I'm simply going to find another pin or find something to hold that on there. Or use the old pin if it's strong enough. Let's see if it's usable. It looks like it's probably going to be fine. Make sure I'm showing this. Let's test it out. Close. Open. We're in good shape. Diversity tube. We're installing the overflow plate assembly on this bathtub. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.